The Thanksgiving experience often includes a nice bottle of wine or two on a beautifully laid out table, or you might have a pre-dinner cocktail while the turkey is cooking. So what if you have guests in your home who don't drink? With some alternative options, the editor of Some Good Clean Fun, Sarah Kate, joins us. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me today, Bob.
This is becoming a very popular option because, we get a little tired of just saying, well, can we get you sparkling water? There's so many other options out there, and I know you're going to share some with us.
That's right. Well, I call it inclusive hospitality, which is just not assuming right off the bat that everybody wants to have a boozy drink. And innovation is incredible in this space right now. So years ago, we never, as a hostess, would have considered an alcohol-free option. And now there's no excuse. Products are excellent. There's great beer. There's great alcohol-free spirits, or as I say, zero-proof spirits. And wine is coming along as well. So, I'm serving this weekend. I'm serving a Wynn Tempranillo. I'm serving Oddbird sparkling wine, some One for the Road beer. This is Canadian. So those are just some of the things I'm serving. And then I've got some drinks here.
Okay, so the wines, so they're called, wine proxies. What goes into them to replicate a wine taste?
So there's a lot of different variations on a proxy. There's actually a brand called Acid Leak, which is Canadian, and they make a true proxy. I make mine from scratch because I want it to be easy for people at home to make alcohol-free drinks that are delicious and elevated. So what I do here is I add a little bit of Lyre's. So Lyre's is one of the top global brands. I add an orange sec, which is like a triple sec, undiluted cranberry juice, and that gives it that sort of bitter flavor you expect in wine. And then I just top that up with a sparkling wine. I'm using Oddbird Spumante or Oddbird Blanc de Blanc. And so actually, sorry, in this video, I'm using Naughty AF, which is from the UK, and it's alcohol-free. AF stands for alcohol-free. So as you can see, yeah, so I'm putting the orange sec in there and topping up with putting undiluted cranberry juice in, not diluted, so don't use ocean spray, use the good stuff.
Right.
And then top that up with sparkling wine. And there are a lot of great sparkling wines on the market. So Naughty AF is this brand.
Yeah.
I have Oddbird here on my table, and that's pretty much it. That's easy. It's easy.
And the great thing is, they look delicious, and you can pound them back guilt-free, right?
That's right. There's two here. There's the Maritime Gale is another drink that I have here, which, if you're familiar with a dark and stormy is a dark cane rum, usually a dark rum or spiced rum with ginger beer. And so I put a twist on this, a Canadian twist. Instead of lime juice, which is more of a Caribbean flavor, I'm adding in apple cider. And so you've got a Lyre's dark cane spirit. So as mentioned, I think they're one of the top global brands for zero-proof spirits. Fentimans is a Canadian company, and I really love their ginger beer. And so I'm adding ginger beer on top of apple cider and the dark cane. And it's just, your guests are going to be asking for 2 seconds and thirds on this one because it's just so delicious.
That looks really good. And I bet both with the wine and this cocktail, there's a calorie benefit as well, isn't there?
There is. And so most alcohol-free spirits have, 40 calories per ounce rather than 100, which is what a regular spirit is. Alcohol-free wine, I hate to say, there's not that much calorie savings. It does have a little higher sugar count than regular wine.
But still good and safe.
Yeah.
And there's so many options to explore. I wish we had more time. But you know what? We'll link up your website for more good, clean fun. We'll do that at chh.com. Sarah Kate, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you as well, and have a wonderful weekend.